Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to episode, I believe this is 5. We're about to take on Faulkner, and I've just spent a little bit of time off camera distributing items to all my Pokemon and checking abilities. None of them had anything great except Bombi here, which has currently heavy metal, which I find hilarious. But it had a different one that's like a unique to Red, which from what I found is kind of like leftovers, but I don't know how rare ability pills are in this, so I'll hold off for now and just go straight ahead with the battle. I do have 2 bug types going into this battle. Not feeling overly confident about this, but we'll see. Okay, I feel like you. Okay, well, Squawk William, alright. Yeah, let's at least get you stuck in the battle, and then we'll go on and switch out. Let's go for something tanky first. Man, I really gotta get a better understanding of the mechanics of this game, but specifically infestation. Because I guess it only works if I keep them on in and it like doesn't go to sleep or anything. Which probably sent this in, I guess because bug type, but this was the best move. I'm feeling okay. Unless you got some like baton pass with speed boost or something, that'd be concerning, but well, we're okay with this. Back to the Trumbeak. Low enough now, I don't want to risk it. We'll see if we can proc Guts here, because I think you do have some kind of Fire Dash move for some reason. Yep. What a read. Don't necessarily want you to get too fast. Let me. I'm glad I didn't go to the Clank there. Yeah. Huh. Damn it. That's probably a load of dice. That's really unlikely. It's gotta be loaded dice. Well, let's just hope the next guy doesn't have something quite a big. Yeah, of course. You. Okay. Not a whole lot of my team actually resists the electric bird, but it's definitely going for an electric type move, so I can try to plan accordingly. Not really, but yeah. I had Sceptile here. If only didn't have a slow start. And unfortunately, I tried to check his ability. I can't change it unless I can snag his secret ability, which I'll keep him in mind for whenever that occurs, but we'll, I feel like I need to save you for later, so we'll go here for now. That That's lacking in logic. Okay. Sure. I'm just gonna hope I recover enough here. Actually, you know what? I was fighting type. I am. I'll give you credit for that. I don't think I actually win this encounter, but you know what? Ain't no damn well I ain't gonna lose it. Yeah, okay. Well, there's one. That's fine. Who's my fastest? This will only matter if you're actually faster than 49. Oh boy. I mean, it's the only time you're actually going to be super useful here. Yeah. So unless you choose to... Yeah, okay. Yep. Okay. Probably didn't need to throw away a little there, but, well, it happens. Yeah. And there we go. First Johto gym done. That's something. Cool. Okay, and I could sack for Bombi here, but honestly, Bombi is one of my better mons, especially in terms of like staying alive. Although, I mean, it's Bug Fairy, and I have 2 fairies, so I could. Nah. I'ma just. I'm gonna just play how I want to play, and if I want to do it as a Nuzlocke later, I'll play with Nuzlocke in mind. I have Dreadnought in the box just because I didn't really think I needed 3, but... Okay. Is it a berry? Berry juice. Okay. I don't resist this, but I should be okay. I do get out sped here, though. Yeah, well, that's fine. That isn't. That's... should have seen that. I don't know if I eat your next attack very well, but you know what? That's okay. Because that is very strong for some reason. This might kill with a +1. Nope. Still got my Aurum. There we go. And I live this too. Well, I think I live it again. Okay, we're gonna be here a while. But I win this. I do win this in... Just one of them days, huh? Okay. Right. Let's see. No water. Okay. Could try. Don't have any ice to use here. Bug. Buggers. You know what? This actually works. I don't think he's fast, but he resists the effect at least. There we go. Fighting. No, Gear Grind's pretty strong, so we'll, hope it just takes 2 of these to take him out. Yeah. You know, at first it kind of seems kind of silly that he's resistant, but I suppose he is a cactus plant, so sand is not unfamiliar. Right. Bruckstrom is not going unwell, I'd say. Varum. Okay. I can survive at least 1 hit from this guy, so let's at least pop that air balloon and get some damage off. And the para, ooh, that is nice. Okay. He's gonna bulldoze here. And for some reason, I still don't have a flying type on my team, but I do have... Well, you're weak to poison, so I don't want to do that. Well, are you? You're not. Okay. No, you are. That was... Not terribly, though. Anything at speeds. Yeah, we got our circle thrower. You'll do. We can hope for a full para, but we just got one, so... Yeah, we resist this, I think. No. But it's not much damage anyway, so we're good. Now, hopefully we get toxic, because that way... Nope. I wonder if they know I have guts. I don't know how this really works in game. But I know he's strong. And he's got Shellbow. This might hurt. I don't know if I want him to stay here. I think I want him out of here. Just in case, yeah, in case of that. Okay. Archeops. Archin. Whatever. Same guy. I know what I'm talking about. Do I live? I don't live. Yeah, this is why I'm not doing true Nuzlocke, because I can't be bothered. But I think I'm still in a decent position. We'll go here again. And I hope that this bird doesn't have a ground type move. Or good special resistance. Oh, sure. Yeah, you know. All birds know how to bulldoze, of course. Now, you probably outspeed now. I'm just curious to see how much this will do, though. Yep. Of course. Of course. I should get a flying type on my team for just such an occasion. Not really up to me, though. It's more RNG. Okay. Alright. This is a dumb idea. Oh well. Special attack. Maybe? Nope. Of course the berries. Oh. We're not choiced, that was... I'm pretty sure I still have speed. Unless you're just trying to plan for the other... Yeah, okay. Yep. And there we go. I might not outspeed her fast models now, but I mean, I can switch back and forth, and the Lunatone. Hang on. How we feeling at the -1 speed? Huh. Yeah, okay. I don't imagine you're particularly fast, so we'll go here. Well, that shouldn't kill. There we go. Okay. This is probably the smarter maneuver. Okay. Shouldn't matter what I do here. Yep. Okay. Hippopotame. Well. Huh. Didn't think that was likely. This is not a smart play, I'll be honest. But I know I outspeed. Okay. Yeah. I mean, bulldoze was the move for you there, especially since that wasn't even stab. So we'll let's go here then. It's fine. Don't really know what I'm doing at this point. I'm out of it. Brother. I don't usually try to ask for crits, but if I know that they're just gonna spam healing moves, then I feel like it's fairly justified to ask for a crit there. What is it? I think I still live this. And I hope I still have speed. For my own sanity. Yep. There we go. Okay, yeah, one more. Varoon. Don't have to worry about the poison here. Yep. Ooh, that's not ideal. Fortunately, I do outspeed. This guy can tank probably anything you throw at me, because same typing plus immunities and all that jazz. Let's go for this. Okay, this was a bit longer video, everyone, but thanks for watching. Real glad I made this not a true Nuzlock. But yeah, following this, we're just gonna go on, try to snake our way up to Mount Moon, maybe get in there a little bit. Gonna avoid most of the trainers, to be honest, but we'll see. I might just have next video be mostly me just leveling up my mons, see what I can work with. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm good. Bye. See you next time.